Hello, welcome back to another video. If you meet the eligibility criteria set by the CRA, you can claim a deduction for home office expenses. In this video, I'm going to talk about the changes for the 2022 tax year. If you meet the eligibility criteria and choose to use the temporary flat rate method, for 2022, you can still claim $2 for each day you worked from home. The maximum number of working days you can claim is 250 days, which means the maximum deduction is $500. In calculating the number of days, you cannot include vacation days, sick leave days, days off, or any other leave or absence. If you meet the eligibility criteria and choose to use the detailed method, you can still use the simplified form T2200S. If you have a lot of eligible expenses, you have a designated workspace, or you worked from home for an extended period of time, you may be better off to use the detailed method. You can use the CRA Calculator to determine the amount of deduction you can claim under each method and determine which method will result in a higher deduction. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to receive updates about taxes and benefits, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on TikTok.